The future of digital infrastructure promises transformative impacts on industries, connectivity, and economic growth. Navigating challenges responsibly is key as we empower businesses and shape the society of tomorrow. In today's dynamic IT landscape, businesses increasingly rely on technology. Looking ahead to 2024 and beyond, here are some of the top IT trends. Panduit now recommends Category 6A cabling for new permanent link installations. According to the Building Services Research and Information Association, BSRA, Category 6A cable usage is projected to surpass Category 6 by 2024, driven by growing demand in data centers and LAN applications. Following industry standards established by organizations like TIA and ISO ensures consistency, interoperability, and quality across various sectors, thereby promoting efficiency and environmentally friendly practices. Cat 6A reliably supports 10 gigabits per second over longer distances, ensuring robust channel links of up to 100 meters. Moreover, Power over Ethernet offers the most cost-effective solution for delivering both data and power to wireless access point. Therefore, installing Category 6A is highly recommended for achieving optimal performance. With the rapid pace of technological updates, the increasing demands for power over Ethernet and data are imminent. It's crucial to plan for the next 3 to 5 years to ensure reliable support for technology devices running on both power over Ethernet and data. Wi-Fi 6, widely deployed in the market, supports data rates of up to 9.6 G, requiring a single Cat 6A cable for the uplink. With the growing shift from wired to wireless connections, the demand for Wi-Fi data is expected to rise, anticipating the need for Wi-Fi 7, which will demand 2 Cat 6A cables to support data rates exceeding 10 G. Cat 6A provides additional headroom for future network upgrades and technological advancements, making it a more future-proof solution. For Day 1 deployment, Panduit recommends 4 cables. 1 cable in used for Wi-Fi 5 or 6 deployment. The additional unused cable will be utilized during Day 2 expansion. With additional access point, the existing 1 unit of unused cable will be utilized. While upgrade of technology is imminent, the recommended 4 cables deployment on Day 1 will come into full use when upgrading to Wi-Fi 7. Each access point will consume 2 uplink data cables. There are more advantages of choosing Category 6A today to optimize your cabling infrastructure investment. Panduit fully supports Category 6A, sparing you from expensive cable replacements as new applications demand enhanced performance. This decision ensures future-proofing for upcoming high-speed data rates, adeptly manages heightened power levels for power over Ethernet++ and HDBaseT, and accommodates all applications requiring superior speed and power. For even greater performance, consider Varimatrix HD cable. Varimatrix HD cable has a cable diameter of 6.2 mm, nearly identical to Cat 6, facilitating easier installation and minimizing space consumption. For more information, visit panduit.com.